Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, a new favorite here from RIC HASSANI, My Only Baby. So if you haven't watched the music video, I recommend you. It's a funny one and it makes you feel good. It's a great song, also from RIC HASSANI, My Only Baby. We have three different chords here, no need for any capo. It's the G, A, and D, so pretty easy chords there, and one strumming pattern. So let's start right away with this one. We'll start with the G, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so that is the chord progression, G, A, and D. All right. We need to look at the strumming pattern, and we need to divide it into two different parts because, yeah, we need to do that. That's the only reason. So one full strumming pattern will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. Okay, G is the first chord, so we're gonna demonstrate the strumming pattern with the G. So one round will be like this. All right, so the first part will be down, down, up, clap, down. So that's the first part. Down, down, up, clap, down. Down, down, up, clap, down. And the second part will be just down, down. Pretty easy there. So if we connect these two parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. So it's a pause there between part 1 and 2. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, down. So now when we have this, we can start the actual song here. You will play one round of G plus part 1. So that means down, down, up, clap, down, 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 plus part 1, down, down, up, clap, down on G. Then you shift to A and play just the part 2, down, down. And then you shift to D and play 2 full strumming rounds on that chord, D. Down, down, up, clap, down, 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 up, clap, down, down, down. So that is basically how this song goes through the entire song. So I'm gonna demonstrate this one. I'm gonna do it a little bit slower. So I'm gonna take down the tempo and you will see how it's done. So let's start with G, 1.5 round, you can say. Then A, part 2, and D, 2 full rounds. G, G, A, D, D. And with some standard tempo, it will be like this. So this strumming pattern is kind of the bone. You can add some extra downs and ups if you want. It's by feel here. But yeah, this is actually how it's down, how the beat goes in the song. So that was RIC HASSANI's My Only Baby. And if you like or love RIC HASSANI like we do here in Gordon Guitar, you need to come back because we will have more from Hassani on this channel. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe and get more from this channel. So hope to see you soon, guys, and play tuned.